I helped my client Jack add an extra $14,000 to his business in just 30 days with email marketing. In this video, I'm going to be explaining the exact 3-step email marketing process I used to achieve that result, so you can just copy it and use it in your own business to start printing cash with emails. Before you start, a quick disclaimer: watching this video till the end and implementing these steps can literally turn your email list into a money-making machine. But if you don't have enough focus to watch an entire YouTube video like this, then you should probably just click away now, as this video probably isn't for you. Now, this was achieved through 3 simple phases. The first phase is what I call the growth activator. It all starts with getting leads to your email list, because you can't make money from your email list if nobody reads your emails, right? You could write the best emails in the world, but it really won't mean a thing if nobody joins your list to actually read those emails. That's why the first and arguably the most important step of generating leads and getting people onto your email list is the growth activator phase. Here's how we generated new leads for my client's business 24/7, 365 through 4 simple steps. First step is paid ads. We were running Facebook ads to my client's website. We had an ad budget, which some people don't have an ad budget, or some people don't have a big ad budget. So this is kind of determinant and depends on how much budget you have for marketing. But what we did for my client is we ran Facebook ads to his website. The next step is we had an email pop-up form on the website. So for example, if I'm a prospect and I'm a lead and I see the Facebook ad, go to the website, we get a pop-up form that says 15% off for your first order if you sign up for email and SMS. That's what happened, is Facebook ads to generate traffic to the website, where then people will see a email pop-up form for 15% off. Who doesn't love a discount? Everyone loves discounts. The other 2 parts of it was organic social content through Instagram and TikTok. So honestly, they don't generate a lot of organic traffic from social media, which is something that if you post consistently, post daily, you could get a lot more email subscribers. My client runs his own Instagram and TikTok pages and doesn't do a whole ton, but organic traffic still helped generate leads and get people to the website to then enter their email and phone number. And then finally, weekly blog posts. This is what we've been calling Find the Good Fridays, is a weekly newsletter that I send out on every Friday because the brand is called Find the Good. We just repurpose these blog posts, weekly stories, lessons, quick tips for mental health resources. We repurpose that from the weekly newsletter that I send out to the weekly blog post to get traffic and just generate more SEO from the website. It's kind of like an evergreen blogs that we have up on the website. So it's just building relationships. Some people will find them on Google through SEO and just click on the blog, read it, and just know the brand, sign up for their email list. That's how we generated 435 new email subscribers in just 30 days. The second phase of this entire process is what I call the system scaler. Now it was time to turn those interested email subscribers that we just got into excited buyers. How do we do this? We leverage automations to increase our revenue on autopilot without my client having to lift a single finger. What we did is I helped my client set up 3 main email automations. The first one was the welcome sequence. So for those people who entered their email and wanted to get that 15% discount from the email pop-up form on the website, they then go into a multi-email, multi-day welcome sequence to nurture them, obviously give them the discount code, kind of share a bit more about the brand, the story, and introduce and just nurture, strengthen relationships, and turn those hot leads into excited buyers, excited customers to buy their products. The second one was through an affiliate sequence. What my client has in it is an ambassador program, Facebook group. They've got a referral program, and just people love the message behind the brand. They have a really strong mental health focus, and so a lot of people will just sign up. This is another area where our Facebook ads come into play, is driving traffic to get more ambassadors and affiliates into our marketing funnel, advertising from that point, building community from there. That was second main email sequence that I helped set up for them. The third one is what I call a sales sequence. So this is all about, for anyone who doesn't become a customer and doesn't buy from the welcome sequence, they enter into what I call a sales sequence, which is meant to get them to act now, make their first purchase. Increasing the discount kind of just reminded them of that 15% discount that we gave them, asking them questions if they need any help or if they have any questions, even just increasing the discount code slightly. A lot of people have like a price point of like, oh, that's my push over the edge to become a customer. They know you, they like you, they trust you, they just want like a little bit more of a push over the edge. Here you can increase the discount slightly, maybe from 50 15 to 20%. Use scarcity and urgency, as our products sell out fast because they're best sellers. We can't promise they'll be in stock in a few days when you're ready to make a purchase, so purchase now. Giving them that little push over the edge to make their first purchase. And the result of this is just more trust, more authority, and more sales. The third and final phase of this entire process is what I call the retention operator. Now, all that was left to do is continue to strengthen our relationships and turn any last non-buyers into buyers and into customers. How do we do this? Well, we do this through what I mentioned earlier called the Finally Good Friday newsletter. We send it out every Friday, and you can use this yourself to share stories, build authority, provide more value, and just build more of a community around your brand, as opposed to, oh, we just want you to become like a one-time customer. No, like our brand and our focus is more on building a sense of community and strong relationships with our customers, as opposed to just, here, buy this, and we kind of forget about you. So that's really the focus with a weekly newsletter. Is yes, it drives a lot of customers and a lot of revenue for the brand, but a lot of it is just strengthening relationships and building more of a community around the brand. And again, it's just to get your readers to know, like, and trust you, which is a necessity if you're building any sort of brand. This is the exact 3-step process I use to generate over $14,000 for my client. If you follow these steps, I have no doubt in my mind that you'll see amazing results. However, what I've explained is only one piece of the puzzle. There's a lot more going into email marketing, and I obviously can't cover everything in this video. So if you are serious about turning your existing email list into a cash printing machine, or just building one and monetizing it, then make sure you click the link in the description below to join my newsletter, where I literally give you everything you need to know about email marketing and making money through emails. You also get some helpful resources that will help you make even more money through your personal brand, and it's completely free to join. So again, click that first link below and put in your email. Talk to you later. Peace.